MotoGP action underway in Indonesia.
He was faster than everyone ahead. He's down in top.
Whoa! Unbelievable. That was incredible. What a save. Whoa!
The president hands over the trophy. It took us 25 years, but it was certainly worth the wait.